Hey, so I have a sliding glass door, and like most people, I'm worried about somebody being able to jimmy the lock. So I use a piece of wood on the bottom. See that piece of wood? This way you can't open the door. And I'm looking for an easier way because removing the wood and putting it back is a real pain. So I bought online a lock, which this goes here, and then let me just take, I'm doing this one-handed, so I'll show you. There is a bracket, and the bracket goes here, so the pin goes into the bracket. So basically, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna screw in the bracket, then I'm gonna screw in the pin, and then we're going to use this as my extra security lock on the door. So I'm gonna take this, let's take this and let's screw it on and see what it looks like. Okay, so I just put it up, and basically it's a couple of screws up here and just a couple of screws here in the door. And the way this works is you have this pin that comes up. So when you want to disengage it, you press the button and the pin comes down. When you want to lock it, you push it up from the bottom and the pin comes up, and the door won't open. So this is a much better solution for me. I think this is going to work out great. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Have a great day.